आपणाचेर बलात्कार करपाची आनी जिवेशी मारपाची धमकी दिवपी अनोळखी मनशा आड पुलिशेन कागाळ दिल्या अशें महिला काँग्रेसीची सचिव दिया शेटकारान सांगलें। तिका धमकी दिवपी दुसरो तिसरो कोण न्हय जाल्यार शिरोडेचो आदलो आमदार सुभाष शिरोडकाराचो मनीस। दिया शिरोडकारान हो गंभीर आरोप केला। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
आयतारा पणजे घेतिल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेत दिया शेटकारान सुभाष शिरोडकाराचेर खर टिका केली। शिरोडे मतदारसंघात ती आपलो वावर कमी करिना जाल्यार तिचेर गँगरेप करून तिका जिवेशी मारतलो अशी धमकी फोनावेल्यान तिका मेळ्ळ्या अशें तिचें म्हणणें। ही सगळी कारस्थाना सुभाष शिरोडकाराचीच अशेंय ती म्हणटा।
Unknown caller was abusing me. He used such a dirty and a filthy language which even I can't explain to you. This caller was threatening me to kill me and even to gang rape me if I ever step Shiroda. Now Subhash Shirodkar, he is in power now. He is the chairman of EDC. He is trying to suppress us. He is trying to block us because we are active Congress workers in Shiroda constituency. Subhash Shirodkar has defected from Congress party to BJP, and in that he has been gifted a post of chairman of EDC. Now he wants at any cost to win the by-election, and for that reason he is obstructing us to work in Shiroda. This unknown caller is threatening me to gang rape. So see, today a woman are not secure. When someone is calling and threatening you to gang rape, see the height BJP has attained. Now Subhash Shirodkar is a BJP person, as he has joined BJP. Now he is using his, I mean to say, he is misusing his power. He doesn't want that Congress people should work in Shiroda constituency, as he knows that all Congress workers, all Congress karyakartas are against him. So it is my humble request to all the Goans, this attack is not only on me, this attack is on the whole woman community. It is a challenge to a woman that if you ever enter constituency, if you ever enter Shiroda, we are going to kill you, we are going to gang rape you. I have registered a complaint in police station, Panaji police station today, and tomorrow I am going to file a complaint before woman police station, and so also before DGP, because I am not going to keep quiet. How dare Subhash Shirodkar tell his people to threaten me? Previously also I used to get this type of threatening calls, but I ignored them. But now this is a height when this unknown person, who is a person of Subhash Shirodkar, who doesn't want that I should work anti-Subhash. And for that reason, Subhash Shirodkar has started hiring goons to stop Congress people, to suppress Congress people for working in Shiroda constituency.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब।